Hi guys, I just finished my gym class. It was absolutely insane. Now I'm at the supermarket. I have to grab something, but I am so out of breath. It was a really intense class. Oh my god. They didn't have what I needed at the supermarket, so here I am. I think I'm gonna pick up this one. It looks super cute. This Barbie has a dog and this dog has 3 puppies. So nice. Guys, I love toy shops. Toys are so cute. Look at these guys. Oh my god, look at this little chicken. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. That's Steve Harrington from Stranger Things. Oh my gosh, so cool. There's another one. We are now on our way to the baby swim class. My husband is tagging along because they have some Christmas cookie decorating workshop, so we'll see. Final result. Another day, another workout class. Guys, this is so cool. They have an angel tree for a pet shelter. Like you can choose a pet that you want to sponsor. It's so cute. Now we have to choose the little pet that we will sponsor. Oh my god, guys, look, this one is only 7 months old. Guys, I picked this cat. Her name is Monette and she's 7 years old. She reminds me so much of our cat Denver, so that's why I picked her. Let's choose a gift for her. Hi guys, we're on our way to IKEA. We have to grab some things there. Also, we might pop into the Decathlon, and then the plan is to come back home, have the baby's second nap at home, and go to see the Christmas market in the evening, which I'm super excited about. This year the market is so beautiful from what I've seen in the photos, and I'm so excited to see the Christmas tree and feel the Christmas spirit. So excited. Let's go. I'm going there alone quickly because we don't want to take the baby from the car and then put him there back again because it's a whole thing. I just grabbed some towels and swim shorts for my baby. Oh my god, guys, it seems that the whole city is in IKEA.
I found place here.
Okay, we found place. My husband is always super lucky in finding parking spots. We're here. Oh my god, there's so many people. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, this collection is so cool. Oh, it's our first time in IKEA changing room. It looks pretty nice, and they have a place for breastfeeding. Yeah. They're handing out hot wine, well, fruit drink, not wine actually, and chocolates. So our plans changed because the baby fell asleep in the shop. So we went to grab some food in IKEA canteen and he napped. So now it's dark already. Oh my god. So now we're gonna try to go to see the Christmas market. We made it to the Christmas market, but not without difficulties because my baby is screaming his brains out. He is, I think, overstimulated. So I'm not sure how long we're gonna stay here, but we'll try to at least see some of it. This carousel is so cute and so magical. I love it. Oh my god, so beautiful. I was really hoping to help on the carousel with my baby, but I guess not this time. Because he's really not in the best mood. Guys, this is, oh my god, it's so dark. This is the reality of life with kids. We spent there like, what, 15 minutes? There was like a million people there, and we didn't even get close to the Christmas tree because the baby was super fussy. He was crying all the time. We have no idea why. So we just had to get back to the car and go home. Hopefully we can come back next week, not during the weekend, because in the weekend it's crazy. Yeah, I'm a bit sad that we didn't see everything, but at the same time it was too busy, way too busy. What an evening. It's much later now. I just put the baby to sleep for the night. It's 8:30, I think, and yeah, I'm very tired and just overwhelmed. I'm not really physically tired, just feeling really overstimulated and overwhelmed and cold. So now I just want to lay on the couch and drink a hot chocolate and watch TV and do nothing at all. Do you want a haul from IKEA? By the way, I keep wanting to say IKEA, but it's Swedish, and since I know a fair bit of Swedish, it's IKEA. Don't come at me. The first thing we got was this drink. It's a milled wine alternative. They were handing it out in the shop, so we tried it and we liked it. Then I got these small glass containers. Got 6 of those. Also got this beautiful green glass jar where I thought I would keep either flour or oats. Lastly, we got this tablecloth. We are thinking to use this for Christmas this year because we will be hosting for the first time and we didn't have a tablecloth, so we got one. Yeah, that's not much of a haul, to be honest. We didn't get too many things, but the main reason why we went there was I had to pick up an online order that my mom made, which is actually a Christmas gift from her to us. She bought us a bunch of new plates and bowls and mugs to renew our collection. So that's very kind of her, and yeah, I'll show you in a second. Thank you, Mom. Love you. These are all the dishes. As you can see, she really went to town with that order. But they are very beautiful. And I don't know if it comes off well on camera, especially because I'm not using a lot of light, but They're this beautiful color, light green. Don't know how visible that is, but yeah. I love it. I am gonna get rid of our old stuff because we have stuff that's really, really old. Like, I'm talking 10 plus years, more, even more. But I have no idea where to fit all of this now because she really got us a lot of things and we don't have that much space. So that's gonna be a challenge. Good morning, guys. Well, it's not it's not the morning anymore. It's 1 p.m. But I woke up just recently because I had the most terrible night of my entire life. But I don't want to talk about it. I don't know how much we're gonna get to do today because, as I said, it's 1 p.m. The Formula One race is at 3. And my baby's still napping and we had plans to go to the mall. But we'll see. I'll take you along. I'm gonna drink my coffee from the new mug. Looks super cute. We are in Zara home right now, and guys, look at this mug. Oh my god, it's so cute. Magical Christmas. I wanted to get it for my baby, but my husband said we don't need one. Look at this furniture for kids.
Bet ta šviesa jos iš karto užgęsta ir lenktynių startas labai neblogai reaguoja į užgesusias greitai šviesas kol pozicijos norintis Maksas Verstappenas. Atsargiai sportininkai važiuoja. Fernandas Alonsas atrodo neblogai sustartuoja.
Ten su Leclercu kovoja. Dėl 5 vietos Leclercas išlieka 5 vietoje.
Guys, we came to a sports bar to watch the race. It's too important to miss. It's the last race of the season. And there was some drama at the beginning because Oscar overtook Lando, but Oscar doesn't seem to be in a too good a position right now with the impending box, but we'll see. My husband is literally shooting basketball while carrying my baby in the baby carrier.
Pasaulio čempionas. Lando išgyvena šios dienos lenktynes, nes tai labiau buvo išgyvenimas. Būtent tai prasideda. 12 taškų persvara ir jos šiandieną pilnai pakako Lando Norrisui finišuoti 3 vietoje, kaip ir visi matėme pagal taškų matematiką. Lando tą ir padaro. Verstappenas riestainiai.
Išimtinė galimybė autorizuota, aš tikiuosi.
Taip, to šiaip negalima daryti po lenktynių, bet...
Well, Lando is the world champion. I'm not super happy about it. Congrats, Lando, of course, but I was always rooting for Oscar this whole season, and I feel like he was done dirty by McLaren, but whatever. I'm really not a big fan of Lando, but he did good. He did a good race, and let's wait for the next season and let's see what happens then.
Yes, this was very cool. My mom and my dad, they let me trace the stream, and today I got to share with them. So I have